Get your knives ready, and welcome to Culinary Companion. We're about to embark on a culinary journey across Europe. We'll dive deep into the heart of three culinary giants: Germany, Italy, and France. Each country boasts a rich tapestry of flavors, ingredients, and traditions. Get ready to unlock the secrets of their iconic dishes. From the hearty fare of Germany to the sun-kissed flavors of Italy and the elegance of French cuisine, there's something for everyone. We'll explore the history, techniques, and passion that goes into every bite. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and impress your friends and family. This is more than just a cooking lesson, it's a cultural immersion. Food is the language of love, and we're here to help you become fluent. So, tie on your aprons, grab your cutting boards, and let's get started. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and discover the joy of European cooking. Welcome to Germany, a land of hearty flavors, comforting aromas, and culinary traditions passed down through generations. German cuisine is all about simple, honest food that warms the soul. Think crispy pork knuckles, rich stews, and flavorful sausages. One cannot talk about German food without mentioning potatoes. They're the backbone of many dishes, served boiled, mashed, or fried. And let's not forget the bread. Germany is a bread lover's paradise, with countless varieties, from dark rye to soft pretzels. When it comes to German cooking, simplicity is key. Fresh, high-quality ingredients are treated with respect, allowing their natural flavors to shine. Whether it's a slow-cooked pot roast or a simple potato salad, every dish is made with care and attention to detail. So get ready to roll up your sleeves and experience the heartiness of German cuisine. Let's delve deeper into a region renowned for its culinary delights, Bavaria. This southern German state is famous for its hearty meat dishes, flavorful sausages, and of course, its beer. Imagine yourself in a traditional Bavarian beer garden, the aroma of roasted pork knuckles filling the air. One bite of the crispy skin and juicy meat, and you'll understand why this dish is a local favorite. And no trip to Bavaria would be complete without trying the iconic Weisswurst, a traditional white sausage, typically enjoyed for breakfast. Pair it with a pretzel, sweet mustard, and a refreshing wheat beer for a true taste of Bavaria. But Bavarian cuisine is more than just meat and potatoes. The region is also known for its sweet treats like the fluffy Dampnudel, a steamed yeast dumpling often served with vanilla sauce. And don't forget the apple strudel, a flaky pastry filled with sweet and tart apples, raisins, and cinnamon. So come hungry and get ready to indulge in the culinary delights of Bavaria. Benvenuti in Italia. Italy, the land of sunshine, art, and passionate people, is also a paradise for food lovers. Italian cuisine is a celebration of simplicity, freshness, and regional diversity. From the north to the south, each region boasts its own unique culinary traditions and specialties. One thing that unites all Italian cooking is the use of fresh seasonal ingredients. Whether it's juicy tomatoes, fragrant basil, or freshly caught seafood, quality ingredients are paramount. Italian cuisine is about letting the ingredients speak for themselves. Simple preparations and minimal seasoning allow the natural flavors to shine through. From the creamy risottos of the north to the simple, flavorful pasta dishes of the south, there's something to tantalize every palate. And let's not forget the pizza. Originating in Naples, pizza has become a global phenomenon, but nothing beats the taste of a true Neapolitan pizza cooked in a wood-fired oven. Let's dive into the heart of Italian cuisine and explore some of its most iconic dishes. First up, the mighty pizza. A staple food in Italy, pizza comes in countless variations, each more delicious than the last. From the classic margherita, with its simple yet flavorful combination of tomato sauce, mozzarella, and basil, to more elaborate creations topped with fresh seafood or vegetables, there's a pizza for every taste. Next, we have pasta, a cornerstone of Italian cuisine. From long strands of spaghetti to delicate ravioli, pasta comes in a dizzying array of shapes and sizes, each with its own unique character. And the sauces. From the rich and meaty bolognese to the simple yet flavorful aglio e olio, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about risotto, a creamy rice dish that's a true testament to Italian culinary finesse. Slowly cooked in broth and constantly stirred, risotto requires patience and skill to achieve the perfect creamy texture. Whether it's flavored with mushroom, seafood, or simply Parmesan cheese, risotto is a dish that's sure to impress. Bienvenue en France. France, a country synonymous with romance, art, and culture, is also home to one of the world's most celebrated cuisines. French cuisine is renowned for its elegance, refinement, and emphasis on technique. From the delicate pastries of Parisian patisseries to the rich sauces of Lyon, French cuisine is a testament to the country's culinary heritage. French chefs are masters of their craft, transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. They understand the importance of balance, harmony, and precision in every dish. French cuisine is also about celebrating the seasons. Fresh, local ingredients are given center stage and menus change with the rhythm of nature. Whether it's asparagus in the spring, tomatoes in the summer, mushrooms in the fall, or game in the winter, French cuisine is a celebration of the bounty of the French terroir. Let's explore some of the hallmarks of French cuisine, starting with the art of sauce making. French sauces are legendary, adding depth, complexity, and richness to countless dishes. From the velvety smooth bechamel to the decadent hollandaise, French sauces are a testament to the transformative power of butter, cream, and stock. Next, we have pastries, a true symbol of French culinary prowess. French pastries are renowned for their delicate textures, intricate designs, and exquisite flavors. From the humble croissant to the elaborate millefeuille, French pastries are a testament to the skill and artistry of French pastry chefs. And let's not forget about cheese. France is a cheese lover's paradise, with hundreds of varieties, each more delicious than the last. From the pungent Roquefort to the creamy Camembert, French cheeses are an integral part of the country's culinary heritage. So, get ready to indulge in the sweet and savory delights of French cuisine. Food is more than just sustenance. It's an integral part of a country's culture and identity. In Germany, food is about tradition, family, and sharing a hearty meal with loved ones. Think Oktoberfest, where people gather to celebrate Bavarian culture over plates of sausages, pretzels, and beer. In Italy, food is about passion, conviviality, and the joy of sharing a simple, delicious meal with family and friends. Imagine a long, leisurely lunch in Tuscany, where fresh pasta, grilled meats, and local wines are enjoyed under the Tuscan sun. In France, food is about elegance, refinement, and the art of living. Think of a romantic dinner in Paris, where each course is a culinary masterpiece, paired with fine wines and enjoyed in an ambiance of sophistication. Cooking is more than just following a recipe. It's about creating something delicious and sharing it with the people you love. It's about experimenting with new flavors, exploring different cultures through food, and expressing your creativity in the kitchen. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow as a cook. The most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process. So, put on some music, pour yourself a glass of wine, and let's get cooking. Remember, the best way to learn about a culture is through its food. So embrace the adventure, experiment with new recipes, and discover the joy of cooking German, Italian, and French cuisine. Congratulations! You've just completed a whirlwind tour of German, Italian, and French cuisine. You've learned about their unique flavors, iconic dishes, and the cultural significance of food in each country. Now it's your turn to put your newfound knowledge into practice. Don't be intimidated by the thought of recreating these dishes at home. Start with a simple recipe and work your way up to more challenging ones. Remember, the most important ingredient is passion. So, gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and embark on your own culinary adventure. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more culinary adventures and expert guidance. We'll take you on a journey around the world, exploring the diverse flavors and culinary traditions of different cultures. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and impress your friends and family with your newfound culinary skills.